Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Now we will discuss about the next sexually transmitted disease, which is syphilis. So let's start. This is our third disease. This is again a bacterial disease. It is transmitted by the bacteria. It's a bacterial disease. And the bacteria which is responsible for the transmission of this disease is Treponema pallidum. This is the name of the causative agent which causes syphilis disease. This disease again, it has very serious type of symptoms, and this symptoms seen in many stages. And one more important thing about this disease is that this disease can be transmitted from infected mother to its newborn baby also. During the birth, the baby also get infection of this disease by its mother if the mother is infected. So let's see what are the symptoms. As we already said that symptoms appear into many stages. So we will discuss the symptoms into stages, like symptoms in the initial stage or in the primary stage when the infection is just started. In the primary stage, the symptoms are different. Like the symptoms that appears at the hard, dry, or bacterial filled sores are appears onto the skin. So we can say that hard, dry, or bacteria filled sores are appeared. इस डिजीज के अंदर इस तरीके के सोर्स अपीयर होते हैं जो थोड़े हार्ड होते हैं, ड्राई हो जाते हैं, एंड द बैक्टीरिया गेट फिल्ड इनसाइड these sores. These sores are known as, they have the specific name. The name of these sores are cankers. Chancres also, we will call it chancres also, chancres or cankers. This is the pronunciation which you will find. So these sores are known as chancres or cankers. These sores are bacterial filled, and in the initial stage such kind of symptoms are seen, but as the infection reaches to the next part or into the next stage, that is the secondary stage, जब infection next stage तक पहुंच जाता है, secondary stage तक पहुंच जाता है, then it shows some different symptoms. In the case of that primary symptoms, we discussed about these sores. These sores जो appear हो रहे हैं, these sores are appear onto the genitalia. In the 90% cases, 90% these sores are appear onto the external genitalia. Are the genital organs appear onto the genitalia, and in the 10% cases, 10% they are also appear onto the lips and mouth part also, and lips or fingers, on lips and fingers. So these are about the sores. The sores 90% they are appear onto the genitalia, 10% cases they will appear onto the finger and lips also. In this secondary stage, when infection spread to the other body parts, then what happens in this secondary stage, that multiple lesions are seen. These multiple lesions appear onto the mucous membrane of the lips, mouth, and the genitalia. So we can say that multiple lesions appear. Let's write first, then we will discuss. Appear on mucous membrane of lips, mouth, and genitalia. So we can say that these sores which appear into the primary stage, these sores now become even more harder. These lesions like structure is inflammation is happen more. जो एरिया है उसके आसपास की जो स्किन है वो और ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, एंड ये जो सिम्टम्स है ये जेंटेरिया के अलावा लिप्स पे और माउथ पे भी शो होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. दिस इज अबाउट द सेकेंडरी स्टेज. व्हेन द इन्फेक्शन रीचेस टू इट्स टर्शियरी स्टेज, टर्शियरी स्टेज तक जब सिम्टम्स पहुंचते हैं, इनटू द टर्शियरी स्टेज द infection spread to the other body parts, other internal body parts like heart and lungs, heart and brain, etc. When infection reaches to that places, that parts, then it can cause the paralysis and mental disorder also. So we can say that in the tertiary stage, the symptoms which can be shown are the mental disorder. mental disorder can be seen into the tertiary stage of this infection and paralysis also. And with this, the fever and loss of appetite also observed, due to which the patient feel the weight loss of appetite होगा, भूख नहीं लगेगी, तो इसकी वजह से पेशेंट का जो है वेट भी लॉस होना शुरू हो जाएगा, वीकनेस फील होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. So we can say that loss of appetite, mental disorder, fever, loss of appetite, these symptoms shown when the infection reaches to its tertiary stage. This is the stages in which we can say that the symptoms of this disease, the syphilis disease, appears. In the primary stage, the hard dry bacteria filled sores appear, which are known as cankers, and these cankers appear, 90% cankers appear onto the genitalia, 10% cankers also appear onto the lips and finger also. In the secondary stage, multiple lesions shown, in which we can say that they are this is the inflammation or the hardness of the mucous membrane of the lips, mouth and the genitalia. And in the tertiary stage, the infection reaches to the internal body parts like heart and brain, etc., due to which paralysis, mental disorder can be happen, and the fever can be present. Fever भी show होता है, साथ में loss of appetite होता है, and the patient feel very weak. So these are the symptoms, and at that time, these cankers, these sores, about which we are calling it cankers, these sores are now become even more bigger, but और ज़्यादा severe condition में create हो जाते हैं, and now these sores are known as gumas. These sores, जो ये sores यहाँ पे primary stage में हमने बात की थी, when the infection reaches to the tertiary stage, the sores are known as gumas. And if we talk about the treatment of this disease, again treatment is available. For the treatment of this syphilis disease, the antibiotics are available. The antibiotics which are very effective is the penicillin and tetracycline. So these are the antibiotics which can be used as a treatment of this infection. But again, we are mentioning one thing again and again, that prevention is better than cure. If the prevention is taken, then we can prevent by this disease. Otherwise, infection is available. So here we discuss about the one more disease, that is the syphilis. This disease can be transmitted from infected mother to its newborn baby also. So we can say that this disease can be happen by two sources. It can be the person can get this disease by his partner, if the partner is infected. Otherwise, this disease is also in fact, the person can be infected by the infected mother also. Newborn baby get infection during the birth. So that's why this is also known as congenital disease, because it's a birth related disease. So this is about this syphilis. In the next video, we will discuss about some another STDs. So keep watching, keep studying and keep learning. Thank you.